Thanks for staying tuned to The On. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. Let's begin this edition with the check of headlines from across the globe. President Donald Trump says that he will host New York's Mayor-elect Zohran Mamdani for a meet on Friday after fiercely attacking 34-year-old self-described democratic socialist during his recent campaign. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu visits Israeli troops deployed in buffer zone inside Syria, calling their presence immensely important to their country's security while drawing sharp rebuke from Damascus and others. UN Nuclear Agency head renews his call for Iran to allow inspections at key nuclear sites attacked by Israel and the US in the month of June. Iran's Foreign Minister Araghchi rejects any cooperation with the IAEA. President Trump says that he has signed a bill requiring his administration to release files on sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. US Attorney General Pam Bondi says Justice Department will ensure maximum transparency in probe. Ukrainian rescuers worked through the night after a Russian barrage of drones and missiles strike apartment blocks in Ternopil, killing at least 26 people, including 3 children. Jakarta, New Delhi negotiate a BrahMos supersonic cruise missile deal. Indonesia's Defence Minister Shafri Syam Sudins in his visit to India next week is expected to hold talks on possible missile exports. Nitish Kumar will be sworn in as Chief Minister of Bihar for the 10th time today. Along with him, 18 MLAs from 5 parties will take oath as ministers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with BJP Chief Ministers from other states, will attend the oath-taking ceremony. India's Supreme Court will today deliver its opinion on a presidential reference under Article 143, seeking clarity on whether governors can actually be given timelines to act on state legislature bills. Bitcoin drops below $89,000 for the first time since April, which also marks a plunge of more than 30% from its record October high, raising fresh concerns about momentum in the crypto markets.